Let's start by prepping our skin. I'm using something that is exactly the same. You can't even tell the difference. I'm using the sugar one today because I'll be doing my entire makeup using just the dupes. And oh my god, my camera just would not focus on this. But this Kbeauty Hydrating Foundation reminds me of the Dior foundation. It is just the same. They're both super lightweight and has a beautiful sheer finish, and it's hydrating. And then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer is a great dupe for the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. You can even try the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I've heard great things about that, but I don't really have it. So I'm using this one, which I have used so much and I love. And then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder, whose packaging is also exactly like the Huda Beauty powder. So I'm using that just to set my concealer and also on my eyes and anywhere else that I get shiny. If you've always wanted the Kbeauty Shade and Light palette, then check out the Sculpt and Shine palette from PAC. It also has highlighters that are amazing. I'm using the shade to contour, and look at that. It is so pigmented and so easy to blend, and I love this palette. It's such a professional palette and you are going to love it. Alright, these two might not look the same, but they end up looking the exact same on my cheeks and my face. They have the same undertone. The Color Bar one is actually a little bit more pigmented, and I feel like the MAC one blends better, and I've used the Color Bar one here. Alright, for the highlighters, can you even tell the difference? Doesn't it look exactly the same? Can you tell which one it is? Pause for a moment and guess which highlighter this is. Becca Champagne Pop and Kbeauty Champagne Fizz. They look exactly the same. I love this dupe. The Kbeauty one looks really nice. That's the one that I'm wearing. It is very illuminating, brightening, blends very beautifully, and does not really look chalky at all. And it is very pigmented too. I feel like these two are exactly the same. They almost have the same fragrance as well. The Morphe one is a continuous spray, and so is the PAC one, and I love using the PAC one. It's so lightweight and makes your makeup last all day. For eyeshadow, you can check out these Makeup Revolution Viva Neon palettes. They're exactly like the Huda Beauty ones. Today I'm going to use this one from PAC, which is exactly like the Huda Beauty Smoky Eye palette. I'm taking this dark brown first, and I'm doing a very easy, basic, smoked out liner, and I'm using the PAC 102 brush, which I love. I have two of the same brush, and then I'm just using a fluffy brush to blend out that eyeshadow, and then I'm going to take this nice champagne glitter shade and apply it on top of that brown shadow that we just applied. And then I'm going to draw a liner using the black shadow, which is intensely pigmented, you guys. I love this eyeshadow palette. And then I'm just going back again with the same brush that had the brown eyeshadow, and I'm blending it all out, and that's it. I'm just going to add whatever's left in the brush on my lower lash line. And oh my god, I just could not hold my mascaras comfortably, could I? But these two are literally the same, and I actually prefer the L'Oreal one more because it is waterproof and it holds my curls. And yeah, they're literally the same. Alright, so this might not look like the exact dupe, but honestly, they look exactly the same on my lips. Velvet Teddy is a little bit more peachier, but honestly, they just look the same, and I love the formula of both of them. And yeah, this is what the lipstick looks like on my lips, and this is what the eye makeup looks like. I thought I should put like a nice close-up shot for y'all, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and I have a surprise for you. If you have made it this far, I actually have a giveaway coming, and for that you guys need to be subscribed, and I will put all of the rules in the description for you guys to follow. And one of you guys will be winning this entire box of Miss Claire goodies. I'm so excited for you guys to have this. Everything is brand new. Everything is Miss Claire. See the description for details. No shadow is not part of the giveaway. It's only the box. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.